everybody, welcome back to Pure Lottie. Today I'm going to do a look using my Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star palette. There is a lot of colours of the rainbow in here, so I am going to try and do a rainbow inspired eye look today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to change notifications to all so then you get notified of any new videos. Okay, so I'm just going to start off with some tape on my eyes just so I can get those nice sharp edges on the corners there. So I'm just going to grab my Jeffree Star palette and I will be popping on some primer as well, and then I'm going to jump into Good Morning and just pop that all over my eyelid to start off with. So I'm just using my MAC paint pot in Painterly just to use that as an eye primer, and I'm just popping it all over because I'll blend it in with my face makeup afterwards. Okay, I think I'm going to start off with Gumdrop in my crease, so that's a nice light purple. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Bubblegum, and I'm just going to focus that on the inner third of my eyelid. Okay, next I'm going to jump into Suck, which is this vibrant orange colour here. I'm just focusing this on the second third of my eyelid. Okay, next I'm going to jump into And What. So this is a sparkly red, and I'm going to focus that on the outer third. So I'm just ensuring that I'm blending it into the colour next to it, just so then I'm not getting harsh lines. Okay, so next I'm going to jump into Soaked, which is this bright blue colour, and I'm going to bring that up above the purple. So I'm just going to stamp in a little bit more purple so that you can see that colour there still. Okay, I'm just going to jump into Lemon Drop, which is this glittery yellow here, and I'm going to just pop that on the inner corner of my eye. Okay, so next I'm going to grab a green and focus it in this middle bit underneath my eye. So I think I will jump into a Sour, which is this bright green here. Okay, so I'm going to take the tape off now, and let's see what it looks like. Perfect. Okay, so I will clean up the edges underneath when I do my base makeup. So I'm just going to jump off camera and I will quickly do that, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. So I'm back, and this is the finished look. So this is close up. So this is my rainbow inspired Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette look. So I tidied up underneath, and I did also add in a little bit of dark blue on the corners of my waterline using Delicious in the palette. And to get it to stick there, I actually just used a little bit of blue eyeliner, dark blue eyeliner, and then I just put it on top. And I also did the same thing with the green. I added a little bit of eyeliner and then placed the green back on top as well. So this is the look close up. Okay, I've just swatched over to selfie mode just so I can bring you in nice and close and show you the look. And on my lips, I am just wearing my Jeffree Star liquid lips in Candy Ass on the outsides, and I just used my Tarte Yacht Week shimmer lipstick on my inner lips to give it that little bit of shimmer. I will add in some pictures as well, just so you can see it in natural lighting. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!